Is your Chevy Volt key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. First, test the fob's range. A significant decrease indicates a weak battery. Next, examine the fob for physical damage or corrosion, especially if you live in a humid climate. To open the fob, remove the emergency key blade by pressing the release button. Locate the seam on the fob's side and gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Be careful not to crack the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol if you notice any corrosion. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and consider cleaning the contacts again. For long-term maintenance, store spare batteries and consider using a weatherproof case to protect the fob from moisture. While newer Chevy models use digital keys, battery replacement remains a simple, cost-effective fix for 2011-2015 Volt owners.